Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today this video features a few handmade dollhouse items, and I'm going to show you each one by one. Now you see these over here? These are tiles. These are ceramic tiles. Look how beautiful they are, right? I got them at a yard sale. This is what they look like in the back. So I made a door using these wood squares. I placed the small size on top of the bigger size square, and I placed them right in the back of the tile. And then I added a little bead from jewelry, and there, I made a door. But that's not all. I made a counter. You can put some food on there, and all I did was place the tile on top of two containers, storage containers that you can get at the Dollar Tree, or it can be anything else. You don't have to use these containers, but this is what I had right now, and that's what I made. Then I have these beautiful lamps. Look at that. Now that sharp point there, that's the nozzle of the hair coloring bottle. So I used it as the base of the lamp, and then I took some scrap paper, cardboard, cut it to the size of the container, and that made the lampshade. Look at that. And I also took lipsticks also and made them the base of the lampshade. Then, going back to these wood squares, which came in very handy, I made frames for these little dogs here and the eau de cologne perfume bottles. They came in very handy. These you can put on the walls of your dollhouse, and they look great. Well, I think I went over everything. Remember, scrap paper, scrap cardboard, little storage containers, wood squares. Throwaway items like those are treasures, and you can make your own dollhouse miniatures. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and I thank you for watching.